This is a VIZIO E550VL. So when we plug the TV, we can hear the relay clicks. Press the power button. I did see the backlight. Then the backlight goes off. Yeah, you can see here the backlight now is off. Yeah, I did hear some sparking sound in this side of the screen, like the CCFL lamps is not connected good. And they did take the TV apart, as I'm going to show you in this part of the video, and they check the lamps. I check if there is, I think I can hear it now. Let's see if, yeah, when you hear that spark, then the backlight is go on. So let's try it again. So I turn on the TV. Here is the backlight, and you can see it over there. Then the backlight goes off. After like a minute or so, we're gonna hear like a bad connection sound. Then the backlight back after that. And that's what is made me think is maybe a bad connection in the lamps, and they took the screen apart, but it wasn't. You can see now the backlight back on. So that's the problem in the TV. We can check the voltage in the B capacitors to be sure we have 390. Look like this. So here, 400 volt. Okay, I'm going to check when the backlight is off if we have 400 volt. So 160, we're going to power on the TV. We have the backlight on. Here is 400 volt. It's still 400 volt, but the backlight is off. So basically the power supply step up works. Yeah, here 24 volt. But what about when the backlight is off? Hold on, let me turn on the TV again. 24 volt. And we are waiting for the backlight to goes off to see if that 24 volt it stay. Yeah, 24 volt it stay okay. So the voltage that's going to the backlight inverter is not dropping. And we have another two voltages for the backlight to work, the dim and the backlight on. So these two pins, the voltages came from the motherboard. I start hearing the, yeah, from. So the dim and the backlight on, these two pins, the voltage of them came from the main board. These two wires here, I think is in the board is marked as A and C, labeled as A and C. Yep, these two wires here, that's what is controlling the backlight brightness and on and off the backlight. And that's what the two wires here, the brown and the black, that's going to the inverter. So we check the voltage in the two pins. Now the backlight is on with the voltage in the first pin is a 1.6 volt. And then the A pin 2.2 volt. So the C is a 1.6, the A is 2.2 volt. Let's see what's going to happen when the backlight is off. Okay, so let's turn on the TV. So this one, it's go to 1.6 when the backlight is on. Then when the backlight is off, it stay at 1.6 volt. This one here, 1.1 volt. Let's turn off the TV. So it's a 3.2 volt when the backlight is on. Is going down 2.7. Then it's go down to 1 volt. The backlight is off. So why that voltage is going down like 1 volt? And you can see it is rising now. 2 volt. And the backlight, I can see the backlight is turning on. So the TV is on, and I find a couple, we have so 1.2 volt for the backlight on, and then this here 1.2, and these two resistors 1.7, 1.3, 1.3 and 3 volt here. These two resistors kind of have the same voltage as the backlight. 1.3 in that transistor. So if I shorted that resistor that has 3.3 volt, the backlight is go on. So just watch in this hole. The backlight is on. So yeah, I'm gonna lower that resistor. See how much. Let's go to the ohm. And so we have a half kilo ohm. And I think I can lower it to the maybe 250 250 ohm. We need about 250 ohm. 239, that's a good. Okay, it's a little bit cracked. I also need to find another one then. Okay, that one is good. Let's check that resistor. It's the one right here. I want to keep this resistor here in case if we need it. So let's see the resistance now. Is a 230, and that's the original one, is a half kilo ohm. And this one is a quarter kilo ohm. Yeah, that's good. I think here it's a little bit, the board look like, yeah, I think what is causing the problem could be the moisture, because I did see some bluish, you see that corrosion? Yeah, could be the traces as are broken inside. Power it on. So the backlight is on, and let's see the voltage. Yep, the backlight goes off. So yeah, that didn't help. It's the voltage here. 1.6. Yeah, I'm gonna lower that resistor, maybe 100 ohm or less, then we see, because the voltage is still low. Alright, so I replaced that resistor with one is like about 40 ohm. And let's plug it, power it on. Okay, turns on. So 3.3 the bottom of the resistor, and we have 2.3 the other side of the resistor. That's good. So here, yeah, 3.2, and the backlight pan. The backlight's still on. You can see it's still on. Yeah, like it's fixed. Yeah, the backlight still on. Yeah, I think the TV is fixed. So gonna have to put it together. Yeah, the backlight is on and it's staying on. It's no more like going off. It's been on for like over 1 hour. So that's all for this video, and see you again.